Hey everyone, I'm Tyler Shirley with Two College Brothers Moving and Storage here in Gainesville, Florida. I just wanted to jump on here and say how incredibly happy and satisfied I am with Winston and his team at MoveUp Consulting. They were absolutely phenomenal in helping us find an addition to our sales force here in Gainesville. I used him to recruit this amazing individual. The whole process was seamless and easy. I think it really helped from both the recruit side and end of things as well as mine. Just having someone to talk to, go to for advice, and just find the best deal possible for both parties. It was mutually beneficial, and I can't say enough good things. And if you notice I'm in the car driving, that's because I am busy, and much of you that are looking at using MoveUp Consulting services are probably busy as well, which is why you're looking at using them. I can say having Winston on my side was just a huge stress relief off my shoulders. So I definitely recommend them. I definitely recommend their services. Their entire team is great, and the customer service is beyond top notch. So use them if you ever need anything for recruiting or hiring, and you have my word behind it.